Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, ma'am. What's the problem?
I can't find my gate. My flight is boarding soon.
Let me see your boarding pass.
Here you go. It's flight 407?
Ah, gate C12. It's just around that corner.
Around the corner? Thank goodness.
You still have plenty of time. Just walk quickly.
Thank you so much. You've saved me.
Safe travels.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under Leo Johnson.
Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson. Welcome to the Grandview Hotel.
Thank you. It looks lovely here.
We hope you enjoy your stay. Here is your key card.
Great. What floor is my room on?
Your room is on the 5th floor with a city view.
Wonderful. Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, it's complimentary. The password is on the card.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure.
Rice, pasta.
Looking for anything specific, ma'am?
Oh, yes. I can't find the organic olive oil.
It's in aisle 7, just next to the spices.
Aisle 7. Got it. Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
This store is so big. I always get lost.
We hear that a lot.
Well, thanks for the guidance.
Happy to help.
Good morning. Going up?
Good morning. Yes, 5th floor.
Me too. Saves a long walk.
Absolutely. It's a busy day already.
It certainly is. Meetings all morning.
I hope they go well for you.
Thank you. You too.
Here's our floor.
Have a good day.
You too, Olivia.
Good morning, sir. Do you know why I pulled you over?
Good morning, officer. I think I ran the red light.
You did. That's a safety violation.
I'm really sorry. I was distracted for a moment.
I understand, but you must pay attention. May I see your license and registration? Here you go. Thank you. Please be more careful next time.
I will, officer. I promise.
Drive safely.
Thank you, officer.
This necklace is very unique.
It's handcrafted by a local artist. Each stone is unique.
It's for my sister's birthday. She loves delicate jewelry.
This piece would be perfect. It's quite special.
I think so too. What's the price?
That one is $45.
I'll take it. Can you wrap it for me?
Of course. A beautiful gift for a special sister.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. She'll love it.